Hi there. Today we are going to discuss about LM75BIMM. It is a temperature sensor. You can find this temperature sensor on controleverything.com, and it is a temperature sensor with accuracy of plus minus 2 degrees Celsius with a 9-bit output data. For the Python code, you can get into the resources section of controleverything.com. Here's the Python code, and let's interface the sensor and let's take a look at the code. Alright, now let's take a look at the code. You need to go to github.com and there you need to search for Control Everything Community. Now you need to write LM75BIMM and there is the sensor. Now you need to understand that for Python code you need to install a library which is the SMBus library. Now to install the SMBus library, the steps are given onto this link. Go to this link and install the library. Then to implement the code, you need to give this command on the command prompt. Alright, now let's take a look inside the code, inside Python, and there we go. Alright, now as I've told you, you need to import the SMBus library and then the device address, onto the device address which is 0x49, you need to write 0x00 onto the configuration register which is 0x01 for the continuous conversion and normal operation of the sensor. Then you need to read back the data in the form of a block. There will be 2 bytes of data, temperature MSB and temperature LSB, which later you need to convert, and for the conversion you need to check out the formula from the data sheet. Now this temperature is output to the screen in 2 formats, which is degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Now let's take a look at the hardware.
This is the Raspberry Pi module. To start with, we have the GPIOs over Raspberry Pi. And this is the I2C adapter. You can find this I2C adapter on controleverything.com. And we use this I2C adapter to basically extend the I2C port so that the connections with other I2C devices are easy. Now this is our sensor, LM75BIMM. Now while making connection with the sensor, please make sure that the brown of the I2C wire, now this is the I2C wire, the brown of the I2C wire goes right here, and similarly the brown goes into the ground of the I2C adapter. And to power up the Pi, we have this micro USB. To provide internet connection, we may use a LAN wire like this, or if required, we may also use a Wi-Fi module. Now let's take a look at how the code works with Raspberry Pi.
Let's proceed with the code. First of all, copy the code and then move to command. Right. Here, make a file with py extension. Alright, now you need to paste the code here and then save it. Now when I run the code with the command, as you can see the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Now when I press my finger onto the sensor, the temperature rises. Similarly, if I keep doing that, it increases again. Well, now that you have seen the working of the sensor, let me tell you how can you use the sensor. Well, the sensor can be ideally used in thermal management and production, while it can also be used in computers, office electronics, thermal protection and test equipment. For any kind of doubts and queries, you can go to our contact us page and you can also send in your comments on our community portal. You can also check out our videos and blogs on hackster.io and on instructables.com. And don't forget to subscribe our page on YouTube for more such videos. Thanks for watching.